The Mercedes-Benz B-Class W246, 2011 to 2019, used the M270.9 101.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine in its B180 and B200 variants. Built for front-wheel drive applications, this inline four-cylinder direct injection engine produces 122 horsepower and 200 newton-meters in the B180 and 156 horsepower and 250 newton-meters in the B200. It's paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic 7G DCT and includes start-stop technology for improved efficiency. While generally reliable, the M270 is known for a few issues, notably timing chain stretch and tensioner wear, which cause rattling on cold starts and can lead to timing damage if ignored. Other concerns include camshaft actuator noise, thermostat housing leaks, carbon buildup from direct injection, and oil leaks from the valve cover or main seals. With regular servicing, timely chain inspection, and periodic carbon cleaning, the M270.910 delivers strong performance and efficiency typical of modern Mercedes small-displacement engines.